I once had a coworker who worked relentlessly. He was the first one in the office every day, and he was the last to leave. And the strange thing about it was he never took his vacation time. He always rolled the full amount over to the following year. And he had been doing this for the last 20 years. He's a long tenured employee. One Friday night, I walked by his office on my way out the door for the weekend, and I asked him, why do you always work so late? And furthermore, why do you never take any time off? You always roll your vacation over to the next year. And he said something that I'll never forget. He explained, if I don't show my value, they may fire me, and I can't show my value if I'm not here, so therefore I don't take my vacation time. Walking out to my car, I thought how sad of a mindset that was, and that his wife must really miss him being around. A couple years went by, and he continued to work late into the evening, over weekends, and never took his vacation time. Until one day, the company unceremoniously laid him off without any notice. The ironic reason they gave him was that his job was no longer adding value to the company. I sure hope he's taking a more balanced approach to work these days, and the moral of the story is take your vacation.